Hi guys, today we'll make a beaded do-it-yourself bracelet. You only need a few materials for this. You need memory wire. Thought we would do a memory wire bracelet today. And so of course it would wrap around your wrist like that, and you have beads everywhere when you're all done. You need the needle nose pliers for the end when you're ready to secure the end of the bracelet, and also the beginning too. This I picked up at Walmart. They're already kind of put together, but then you can cut them. It's just a strand of pearls, and then you can cut it and make them into whatever you want. So these are my materials also. I'm gonna make white pearls, silver pearls, and let's see, red. They have nice maroon color here. So let's get started. I'm going to begin with the white pearls. And then use a clear bead, white, then silver, then clear again, and silver, then I'm going to use one of my nice red colored or kind of maroon colored beads, then start again with the white, and that's my pattern. Of course you can use whatever colors you want, depends on your own personal creativity. And maybe you can make one for a best friend or something and give them, or give this as a gift. White and then clear. You can make it in whatever color you want. Can't wait to see what we end up with when we're all finished. Then I'm going to use a smaller red bead. It will alternate. Come back at pearl and pearl. Silver pearl. Then I need a larger red bead. Okay, let's keep going. You know what would go good with this is a pretty necklace. So I think I'll make a part 2 and have a necklace to go with this memory wire bracelet. That sounds like fun to do. You just keep going till you end, till you're at the end. This is what we have so far. And when you're done, you'll have a bracelet that looks just like that, a completed one. Need a larger one now. So let's try that one. Good. And white pearl. Beading is nice. I like to bead. It's a great hobby. And it's a hobby that if you take your time and make pretty things, You have really nice results. I like it. If you have a favorite sports team, you could go to the craft shop and pick out those colors. Make earrings, bracelet, and a necklace. Make it really look nice. Still have a little ways to go. Okay, we're nearing the end. Just about there. We'll need one more. Now I think we use our needle nose pliers and end our strand. So we'll put it at the end and then make a loop. Secure it as tightly as you can. And you're done. And you have a nice memory wire bracelet in the colors of your choice when you get finished. And it would look something like that when you're done. do like that enough to go ahead and make a necklace. So stay tuned for our next video. It will be a necklace that matches the bracelet. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.